All right, we got Subaru Outback 2015, same thing as 2012 up to like 2018 or something like that. There's a problem on the horn on this, so it's gonna quickly show you guys how I find out the problem. For some people, they would say you need a new relay or you need a new fuse. I checked the fuse, left and right fuse right here. There's a relay for the horn. Let's check out this relay right here. This relay is good. I could hear it clicking. All right, just gonna quickly show you guys how I find out the problem here. So this is the relay. It goes in like this, 12 volts on your multimeter. This side right here, when you poke the terminals here, you get 12 volts, and then 12 volts right here as well. This is the control side and this is the feed side. So when you press the horn, it will contact this to that side so that this side right here will close and you would have a horn activate. So 12 volts right there, 12 volts right here. And then this side right here, we're gonna check continuity. This one here is going to the horn itself. So if you just tap it in there with the continuity and then put it to ground, it will beep on your multimeter. This one right here will go to your steering wheel for your clock spring. Let's go back on the steering wheel. So I took out this airbag already. There's a lot of video of taking out this airbag. There's a hole right here and a hole in the bottom and then the hole in this side. I just use a cotter pin, push those in, and then this airbag will come out. So basically this clip right here, this will move. Same thing on this side and down here as well. When those things just push back, and then you can just pull out the airbag. And this is the nut. You put a mark on the stud and put a mark on the steering side. I think this is a 15, I think, or 17 socket. Take out that nut and then just pull this out. This is it right here. This is the coil spring. You don't want to spin this around. You could put tape in here so that you don't want to spin it out. So to check the continuity of my wire from the coil spring to that relay in there, you put a multimeter leads right here. I believe this is a red wire right here going in to that side, going to here, this side right here. Yeah, so this is the end of the wire from here going to the steering column. All right, so let's give this a try. The leads right there, setting right there, it will beep if the signal is close. If the wire is close, it will beep. All right, there we go. And then at the end is just T-pins. It's easy for me to poke, starting from the left on the bottom, third from the bottom. So 1, 2, 3. That is the horn signal right here. So if you want to tap that, it should start making that sound, but it's not doing anything. And that's the red wire. And right here, find the red wire right there. That's the red wire right there. So if you tap on that red wire, there we go. See, that's the sound right there of closed circuit. And that means from this connector right here going under the hood to that fuse block is good, because we got good connection from here, from the input to the output right here. Because of this clock spring, there's no sound. All right, so the red leads right there and then the black leads right here. So just double check your connection. See, it will beep when it's close. So we're gonna check this coil right here. I got the input right there on the red wire, and the output is on the bottom, third one from the left right there. There's nothing, no beep at all. If you want to just make sure, check all the pins. Nothing. Yeah, nothing. Give a little bit of a tap, see if that works. Okay, double check again. Good. Yeah, nothing. This clock spring is done. So that's how I test my horn on this. Make sure covered everything first, that your fuse is good, your relay is good. and then your horn is good, and then the last to check is your clock spring. So we need a new clock spring. So that's how I test it out. We're gonna have to wait for the store to open up in next couple days here, and then call them up, see if they got one, and then we'll install the brand new one. That's it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, see you guys again in our next one.